Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Liz Emilien and I'm an English teacher of SMPIT Bukit Quran Nusantara Mataram. Now I will present a lesson for grade 9, which is called the Information Report Text. The objective of this lesson is, first, to get the main idea of the social function, text structure, and language feature of an information report text accurately. Second is to compare the social function, text structure, and language features of some information report text accurately. Now, pay attention to this material.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Now we will continue our study to the information report text. Let's review first. Yuk kita ulang sedikit. Purpose. The purpose of an information report text is to describe an animal, item, or phenomena in general. Purpose atau tujuan dibuatnya sebuah report text adalah untuk menggambarkan binatang, benda, atau sesuatu atau sebuah fenomena secara umum atau secara garis besarnya. The generic structure of a report text consists of general classification and description. General classification, stating classification of general aspect of a thing like animal, plant, nature, phenomena, etc., which will be discussed in general. And description, describe the things which will be discussed in detail part per part. Generic structure atau susunan paragraf teks yang bersifat report. Yang pertama adalah general classification. General classification memperkenalkan secara garis besar sesuatu yang akan dibahas seperti binatang, tanaman, alam, atau fenomena alam. Kemudian description. Di bagian description ini menggambarkan secara lebih rinci sesuatu yang dibahas tersebut. Bisa berupa bagian demi bagian, bentuk fisik, perilaku, dan hal-hal yang rinci lainnya. In information report text, there are main idea and detailed facts. Main idea is what the text is discussed about, and detailed fact is the topic discussed in each paragraph. Dalam report text ada dua hal yang ditulis, yaitu main idea, ide pokok, dan detail facts, fakta-fakta yang detail. Ide pokok adalah tentang apa teks tersebut, what the text is discussed about. Sedangkan detail facts adalah topik yang didiskusikan di tiap-tiap paragraf. Watch this video.
Now let's talk about report text. Earthquake, also known as a quake, tremor or trembler, is the perceptible shaking of the surface of the Earth, resulting from the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Earthquakes can be violent enough to toss people around and destroy whole cities. The seismicity or seismic activity of an area refers to the frequency, type and size of earthquakes experienced over a period of time. Earthquakes are measured using observations from seismometers. The moment magnitude is the most common scale on which earthquakes larger than approximately 5 are reported for the entire globe. The more numerous earthquakes smaller than magnitude 5 reported by national seismological observatories are measured mostly on the local magnitude scale, also referred to as the Richter magnitude scale. These two scales are numerically similar over their range of validity. Magnitude 3 or lower earthquakes are mostly imperceptible or weak, and magnitude 7 and over potentially cause serious damage over larger areas, depending on their depth. The largest earthquakes in historic times have been of magnitude slightly over 9, although there is no limit to the possible magnitude. Intensity of shaking is measured on the modified Mercalli scale. The shallower an earthquake, the more damage to structures it causes, all else being equal.
Here we come to the end of this session. What can we conclude from the lesson above? We can conclude that the information report text is a text that presents something as it is in general. And the generic structure of the information report text consists of the general classification and the description. Okay, that's all for today, and don't forget to wear masks, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.